Okay. Hi. So hey, okay. Testing out equipment. Okay, that's enough of that. So, yeah, hi. So here we are. I haven't really done any updates. This is my little friend. You coming over? Hi. What are you doing? What you doing? You want to say hello? Okay. So anyways, she wants to play, which is great. So, hi, come here, you. My little friend here. She needs to be a part of everything. You know, I haven't done an update for a while, so here we are, yep, in central Alberta. Alberta's our home province, so we're happy to be home. And we went out to Christmas tree lighting last night, small town Christmas tree lighting, so that was fun. We took a couple of clips, so enjoy, and we'll catch up soon. And a little song first. And then Santa comes in on a horse and buggy, which I couldn't get a very good clip of. Sorry about that. Yeah, sorry. I kind of missed the buggy there. All right. We have lights. Christmas tree lighting. Beautiful. So that's our big Christmas tree in the center of town. And this is a nicely decorated little shop here. And last but not least, a quick clip of our awesome bonfires. Love it. Love it. And we'll close with a nice little Christmas carol. So yeah, so that was our little trip down Main Street to see the Christmas tree lighting. Hope you enjoyed. We have lots of updates. It's not all gardening. Most of what we have been working on has been the house, our new home here in central Alberta. So we're just going to do some updates on that and keep you posted. And yeah, so take that. So hey, so thanks for popping by, and we'll catch you in the next one. Now we gotta see if it works. Yeah, we gotta see if it works, all pumpkin. And to all, a good night.